Confession, we have no life. Confession number 2.
We have no life. So basically our idea of fun today is
IKEA.
go to IKEA. Hey everyone.
Hello, so this is my room in Jesse's house. I moved in. As you can see, it's very detailed, you know?
Yes, ignore the price tag. I'm like,
Putting a price tag here.
yeah,
Because
you know, keep it fresh,
keep it fresh.
keep it new.
And in here, I store air. And this is Jesse's room. Here, I'll take you into my. Look at how amazing this looks. There's strangers. There's strangers in our house. Look, this is my new shirt that I got. It was like on discount for like. Jesse, wanna go buy it, guys? Alright, now let's do the restroom.
I do not know where these people came from, but I'm gonna call 911 soon. So.
This is where we store immigrants. This is my new baby. We accept it. Okay, someone's looking at me. Yeah, I adopted him yesterday.
She's so
Yeah.
kind.
He has no emotion all the time.
Yeah. What's his name, huh?
I call him Blackie.
As you can see, Joanne takes very good care of her.
Right?
Yes. Like, it's so soft. Like, you fall asleep in 1 second.
Whoa, I don't. Jesse, demonstrate.
Alright.
Jesse?